Good morning. Hope you're having a great morning. Thank you for coming, though. Really nice. I know if you guys' face. I'll be pop quizzing you.
I got you.
So, the question you might ask, why Seattle? Today, I'm going to pinpoint immigration versus refugee, the 1960s and the early 1900s.
Equity is all about being fairness, which is giving everyone the same opportunity to start from the same level, to start from the same place.
You have to say welcome Somali, which is Sodawal. I'll say it, you say with me. Sodawal. Okay, let me get started. Somalians are a very homogeneous ethnic group, meaning they have one culture, one religion, and one language. The official language is Somali, but some people speak Arabic. The reason why is for thousands of years there has been interaction with Arabic traders, which created the Somali culture. 99% of Somalis are Sunni Muslims. Somalians are very
elders because they're old and stuff, so they it takes them a lot longer than it takes Eritrean teens to get used to America, like especially the educational system is one of the biggest.
32% of ELL students in the Seattle Public School District speak an East African language at home. And what I wanted to point out was that 63% of those students are born in the United States, and they're called second generation. So first generation are immigrants that were born outside of the United States and moved here.